year is so boring. Even Friendship Day is coming. There's no gift for our friends or friendship band for our friends.
Mishu, what happened?
There's no gift or friendship band for our friends.
Oh, that's why you're sad.
Yeah.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel
Artbeat
Creativity. Yes, like Mishu is very sad. I know many of your friends are also sitting home and thinking how will we celebrate this Friendship Day. But then you do not worry because in today's DIY we will learn different types of friendship bands, different cards and gifts so that you can make your friends feel special and happy. Yes, because you will be creating with your own hands. So without delay, let's all get started. DIY, we will need a chart paper. Just cut a strip out of it, pair of scissors, glue and some pictures. You can take printouts or if you have your own friends' pictures, you can use them to make this DIY. It's very easy and simple. Whichever picture you have, just take that and measure. So according to that width, you cut the entire chart paper. Alright, and you start folding according to your picture size. The biggest picture what you have, according to that size you start folding. So we'll start folding. All the pictures are of this equal size and some are small. Now we'll start folding the chart paper like this. First fold and second fold, it should be equal. All the sides should be equal, and the last fold. If you have any extras in that, you can cut the extras off from the end. Okay, like this, and make it tight. Alright, and now if you have any wordings, you can write here. If you have cutouts, you can take the cutouts here. So I have taken out some printouts of Happy Friendship Day. So in the starting, I will take the glue and I'll fix this here in the center. Okay. If you want to decorate it, you can decorate the corners as well. However you want, you can. So I'm making it a very simple one. So whatever things are available in your house, with that you can make. Look how beautiful it will look. See, you have made it like this, and when you tilt it, this is how it looks like. So you have made it like a card, and as and when you open, you can see your photographs, the write-ups, and if you want, you can write some message as well. And the other side also we have stuck Happy Friendship Day. I will use a simple ribbon and just tie it off like this. And our beautiful gift is ready. Isn't it easy? Yes, you can make different kinds of cards like this and give it to your friends. Next DIY, we will need different colors of string. I'm using a wool here and some beads. So what you need to do is, I have taken a red and a cream color wool. So one end I'll use a cello tape and stick it on a board or something. Okay, and you have two ends open like this. So what we'll do, we'll put a we'll take this cream here across, and below this we'll put like this across the red, and we will pull it off and go up and make a knot. Okay, the same way now we will take the red, we will put it that side round the cream one, and we'll make a knot. Same thing you need to repeat, cream around the red and go up and make a knot. Okay, so keep repeating the same, red cream. Now we'll do red, the next cream. So once you keep practicing, it becomes easier for you. It's starting, it will be a little tough, but then it's very easy and very quick, and you can make beautiful friendship bands just with a thread. Designs I've made of the same, and now if you want you can continue the same and you can make the band. Here I want to add some beads to it, so to insert the bead at the other end you put some glue, okay, and just twist it so that this end becomes hard and it becomes easy for you to insert the beads into it. So to insert the bead, so I'll insert through the red like this. You can see, just pull the thread and your bead is inside. Now again the same thing we'll repeat. We will make a fold like this over the red and pull it under and make a knot. Got it? Now again one more time we'll repeat the same. We'll do the red above the cream and pull the so both the ends equal length you make, and then finally tie a knot, last knot, and you can trim the end off and remove the tape from here. And the same way here also you can put a knot. Both the sides you have a knot, and look, we have made our friendship band. Look, it's looking so pretty and so easy. In just seconds you can make different colors of friendship band. The next DIY, I will take two different colors of papers and make thin strips out of it. Okay, and I'll make a long line by sticking all the three blue strips. It's an A4 sheet paper, so I've cut strips out of it. Okay, same way for the other color, you need to stick. You can make a long line out of it. So we'll be making a friendship band with a paper. Yes. Okay, so let this both ends dry. Once it is dried, what we need to do is, now we'll take these two papers and we'll put glue here and we will stick it in this way. Alright, and we will stick this at this end and let it dry nicely. Okay, once it is dried, we will fold this orange one like this. See, you can see the bend. I am just folding this orange one like this. Okay, and again like this above. So see, like this I have done one fold and the next fold. And then what I'll do, I will take the blue one and I will put it on top. Okay, same way again, orange this side, blue this side, then again orange this side and blue this side. Hope you got it. So now when the end has come, we will just stick this orange one onto the blue one. Okay, and the extras will trim it off. Okay, let it dry and then you can open it. See, you will get a beautiful band, right? And now you will stick both the ends. So if you want a smaller one, you can use smaller paper. How big you want, that big you can make, and you can stick the end and you can use a beautiful friendship band. DIY, we'll cut a strip of foam sheet, or if you don't have this, you can use a satin ribbon also, some buttons. This is a small pom-pom, scissor and a glue. So all you need to do is measure the hand, whichever hand you are going to put, measure the hand, the basic measurement you can take, okay, and cut the extras out. Okay, so I'll cut the extras off, and then I'm not using the glitter part. If you want, you can use the glitter part. I'm using the other side, and put the glue in onto this, and if you have beads, you can add beads. I'm using buttons. I have a butterfly button, so I will be putting that. If you have normal plain buttons, you can use that also. Instead of this, you can fix a bead also. So this is how the band will look. Similar way, you can make for boys Superman. Like last time we have learned how to make a Superman Rakhi. Similar way, you can make friendship band as well of Superman or any other cartoon characters. And same way, you take a double-sided tape and or a velcro if you have, and just stick it and your bands are ready. Next DIY, we'll use a A4 sheet paper. I have used here origami papers, any photograph, pencil and rulers. So all you need to do is keep your photograph in the center of the sheet. If you don't have a colorful sheet, you can take a gift wrapper, newspaper or a magazine paper, anything which is available. We will just glue the photograph. Any size of photograph you can use. Just take the photograph and stick it at the center. Okay, and you will mark the border with the pencil. So border should be till the end you will mark. Okay, all the four corners you will mark the borders till the end. This side also borders till the end. All the four corners. So I'll cut this four corners like this. Okay, just trim it off. So from all the four corners, just cut the corners of it. Okay, now what you need to do is, we'll take a pencil and keep it in one corner and start rolling it over. Okay, when the end comes, put some glue across to the end. Okay, and then just roll it off till here. Okay, and then remove your pencil out of it. Let it dry. Once it's dried, you can remove the pencil out of it. Alright, the same thing you need to do it in all the four corners. Look, you have got a beautiful frame for your friend with your own hands.
Look friends, I have handful of bands for you and me.
Looks like Mishu is very happy now. She has got so many bands for her friends. And we have made these beautiful cards and gifts as well. Mishu, you're going to give this for your friend?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you like this, do try it from Arpit Creativity. A very happy Friendship Day to all our dear friends. Hope you all like today's DIY. Do try it at home and send us the pics in our Instagram or Facebook ID. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Take care and be safe. And don't forget to
Like and share, subscribe.
yes. Till then,
Bye.